Good morning. I'm going to show you what to do for today, which is April 7th, and today is week 3, day 2. So I'm going to go to Google Classroom and make sure you click on classwork at the top. Here it says the week 3 packet. That's this week. You can click on the directions for week 3 and click on that picture. All right, since today is day 2, you need to read pages 62 through 74 in the Raisin in the Sun book and finish answering the Act 2, Scene 1 questions. Hopefully you have that book home that I sent home with you, A Raisin in the Sun. If you don't have the book at home, it's under the week 2 packet. And if you click here, A Raisin in the Sun text, you can read it online. I will also post a video later today reading through those pages and showing you how to answer those questions. If Google Classroom is not working on your phone or your iPad or your computer, I will also have this posted in Schoology later today. And if you have any questions, please let me know. So again, for today, week 3, day 2, what you need to have is the Act 2, Scene 1 questions, and you should finish answering those questions today. Let me know if you have any questions in the Remind app, or message me on Schoology, or send me an email, and I will let you know.